Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create a presentation using AI 2024. And right now I'm currently inside this page or landing page called u.com. And with this one, if you're familiar with ChatGPT, Claude, or any other AI tools I've done in the past, I have videos about that if you want to check them out, but they're familiar or they're perfectly, or let's just say similar in the UI. It's just like talking to a robot. That's it. So before I get started, these are the prices because currently I have a free plan with I think I have 5 queries remaining for the day, and the limit is refreshing daily. So for the free plan, this is it. Build monthly is $20 and yearly is $15. But for now, I'm just going to utilize what I have to show you how it works. So I have a lot of codes here, or rather sections. I have Smart. Use Smart to ask anything. Basically, this option right here is just like ChatGPT regular. Genius add a little power or pizzazz. So Genius mode solve multi-step problems with advanced capabilities, including file uploads. Now, for ChatGPT free trial or ChatGPT 3.5, you cannot utilize the file upload. But for this one, that is one thing to take note of. So ChatGPT 4 right here has a 5 free trial. So chat using Open ChatGPT 4 model enhanced with u.com AI. So there are two AIs working together. So GPT-4 section and this smart section are much like the same. Basically, those are the options. You can just talk to them, ask them things. But for research, it gives you a little bit more comprehensive, in-depth analysis, in comparisons for a specific topic exploration. Think of it as your professor giving you answers. That's the research mode for you. Now create. Basically create is text to image. Think of it as like that. That's the plain and simple explanation to it. Now let's start with smart. I think for smart, or rather, since I only have limited credits, I'm gonna go straight with genius. So for genius, I'm just gonna utilize the inclusion, or the thing that makes it special is file uploads. So for this one, I'm just gonna type in create a presentation, a content presentation based on this document. So the document I'm gonna upload is a sample document. I think it should be around here somewhere. Give me a second to look for it. So practice letter, there we have it. So I'm just gonna type in this option right there. If it's give me a check sign or an OK sign, I'm just gonna simply click on enter. Now with that, u.com or UAI is currently reading, thinking, programming, and the works. So it's currently generating right now, and I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. These are the results based on my document. And to be honest, this is what's inside it. So I have 5 numbers there. Postscript, call to action, bonus, special offer, and introduction. And that document right there, by the way, is just a sample letter that you send to your clients and your friends, and UAI broke it down to 5 important points. And that is going to be the genius section right there with the file upload. And that's how you utilize it. Now for research, I want to try this one because this is a more in-depth analysis. So with this one, I'm just going to ask AI to give, or rather create, a presentation content based on the 7 wonders. Sorry about that. 7 wonders of the world. So click on answer right now and see how it should give me the answer. By the way, I only have 3 remaining credits, so I think I can still show you how it works from this one and ending it with a presentation, a full presentation in PowerPoint. So please still stay on the end because it will involve coding. A little bit more coding with that, but don't be afraid because I got you from here. So please stay and I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. This is the result based on the research. So for modern interpretation and representation of the 7 wonders of the world, here we have it. It has some citations. It is the previous 7 wonders of the world. We have this one right here, the modern wonders versus the old wonders. Pretty helpful, pretty good comparison because I only asked for the 7 wonders and it gave me 2, the previous and the current 7 wonders of the world, right? So that is research for you. So welcome back to the video. Again guys, this is our research. So since we're done with research section, I want to take you with create right now. And upon creation or trying the create option, as you can see right here, create an image of the Hanging Gardens of Babylon. It did not give me an image because currently I'm just using the free plan. However, if you have the paid subscription, just type in this prompt or type in any prompt with this keyword, create an image. However, make sure you have the create option light up. For example, I'm currently with this one. Type in a creative image of anything you want, and then it will give you an image. Supposedly, it should look like this, and then you can simply download them on that option right there. So since we've created mostly things here, create, research, genius, I've left out ChatGPT 4 option and smart because basically they're the same thing and we have very limited credits. So with that being said, I want to take this option now to get the code and place it in PowerPoint. Now with that being said, let's try doing this right now. And the thing I like about you.com, it works just like any other AI. If you're talking to it, you don't have to start from scratch. I can simply type this one, transform the content into a VBA code for a PowerPoint presentation. Simple as that. So welcome back to the video. This is our code right now. I told you that it won't take much of your hassle, so don't get stressed out, don't get nervous because it's pretty simple. So simply copy the code and you have an option here. So open PowerPoint, press Alt F1 to open a VBA editor, which is I really appreciate with you.com. It gives me some instruction how to use them. So open PowerPoint, go insert, copy and paste, customize the file path, and save as, and press F5 to run the code. So with that being said, just to save the rules here, this is how I do it. So I'm just gonna screenshot this one. So I have a guide now. Even though I know how to use this one, I'm just showing you on how I save and save time with the task. So with that being said, I'm gonna open now PowerPoint. And by the way, before I open PowerPoint, remember to replace this one with the actual path where you want to save your presentation. This is a very important part, so please take note of it. Now I'm just gonna type in or open up PowerPoint. So this is how it should look like inside PowerPoint, right? Pretty default. Now if you have a MacBook or using a MacBook, just simply type in the insert on the top section and go for macro and then VBA. Now for Windows, you should go in here, says developer, and then look for view code, and then simply type in insert, go for module, and with this one, paste the code here. So I'm just gonna type in Control V. Now you might be asking me how to save this one. Is it gonna be this option right here, save presentation? That's gonna be a no-go, that's gonna be a negative. Make sure you click on the play icon, run sub, and make sure once that's done, you can have this error. So that being said, it is not working on saving, but it's still gonna work at the end of this video. So simply click on debug right there. This one right here is not working. So simply click on play just to check if it has been working. So that being said, I'm just gonna remove this one like so. Perfect. And simply click on that one. And that is gonna work right now. Perfect. So this is gonna be it. Now that being said, it's still not that elaborated because we only have a free trial. But however, this is how we do it. Take any code and paste it in PowerPoint. Let me just remove this guidelines right here so you can see it properly. Perfect. Now the only thing missing right now is the images, right? So take the images you got from you.com and paste them here. That is a very easy fix. So I'm just gonna type in or look for the images I have from earlier. I think I still have it there. So for example, this one, the Pyramid of Giza. And with that being said, you're gonna have some options on the second page of Designer. If you click on that one, this one right here, if you liked it, this one right there, right? Pretty awesome how powerful AI helps us nowadays right now. So that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.